against Snow Day and we have nothing to open. I'm just joking. We got Shopkins out. A Petkin friend. Scissors. And drumroll please. Gumball machine, shock attack. As you can see, we are going to put Shopkins in that gumball machine. It comes with 2 exclusives. One's a jelly bean and one is a lollipop. Lollipop. Oh, there's a lollipop. Okay, let's open this baby up. This one can take 10 hours to go. Take care of it. I'm being careful with that. Literally 10 hours to go. Do you ever watch SpongeBob like the 10 hours? Or like 1 hour to go? Perfect opening, guys. Perfect. So, let's see what they did. They take this here like a vampire. Did you see Transylvania 2? I saw it on my friend's birthday, and I was able to go to my friend's birthday because my dad let me because my mom was working and my dad had to bring me. He thankfully franked me because I will never miss my friend's birthday, which is his name is Isaiah. Our toy from that McDonald's. It was a princess, I believe. The last one, that really hard to get princess. And I got it. So we're getting like a little candy out. Why in that? This is not for kids. Okay, Pop. Could you open this? No, you can't. No. That's holding it. So you can do this. You have a lollipop. Lollipop. You have a lollipop. And my favorite, a jelly bean. Do you know where this jelly bean came from? Where's the Shopkins here? Listen, there's a shop. It came from this Shopkins, a jelly bean Shopkins. They're best friends. Right there. Let's get the rest out. Let's get this baby out. Everything is completely complicated. I'll just cut this piece off so I can reach it easier. Or something like that. Who wants a piece of cardboard? How do I work this? Cause I'm not a school. I go to school. That's just going to school. I'm just an 8-year-old. I am in grade 3. My teacher's perfect. So we have this little can thingy, which there's Shopkins on. Let's get a whole bunch of Shopkins. Come on, guys, are you with me? Ultra rare from season 1. Oh yeah. That's all my Shopkins. Isn't that a lot? Is that a lot of Shopkins, guys? Comment down below. I feel like I have like 100 Shopkins. There, that's what you can do. Isn't that cool, guys? And now, almost the moment if you've been waiting for. Let's just get these. I like to get these things out. Turn it upside down. Try my best, guys. Okay. These are like special. I don't know. Like they only come in this pack. They only come in this pack. I can store stuff. Like say if I wanted to store bubbles, I can just put it in there and boom. And if I wanted to store it in the other one, I could put my coconut and put it in there like that. And then you're good to go. Now you're good to go. Now the moment you all been waiting for, the gumball machine. Yay! I feel like all of you are like saying yay, because this is so awesome. It's like the awesomest shopping toy I ever seen in my life. Aren't gumball machines awesome? I don't really like them. I only like after the green apple gum. That comes in like small thin little streaks. That's my favorite gum. We're slowly getting it out. Let's go back in. Like tweezers, like I'm cutting with tweezers right now. I'm doing this, guys. Now for the bottom, there's like 50 million knocks.
It's like tweezers, guys.
Okay, you just see that? Oh, what came out? Now you can put your Shopkins in there. So you have this machine. You have that machine. Now let's pick out random Shopkins with this thing. Let's pick out random Shopkins. I'm not looking, guys. I got one. I got Strawberry Kiss. In green version. Let's put her in this orange one. Hopefully it's not a shoe. Yeah, it's not a shoe. It's ice cream. We got ice cream. Special edition of season 1. Got one. I got pie. This is as easy as pie. Pie. I have so much of this pie. You know what? I'm just gonna pick. Ooh. I'm just gonna pick one. I'm gonna do this one, this one, this one. Nah, there's only 2 more left. Okay, pink for the watermelon, and yellow for cotton candy. If they can all fit. Oh my gosh! How cool is that? Like if you walk up to like a stand that you can take one of these and that, and I can twist before black system. And boop, there you go. I shelf the Shopkins. Which one did I get? I got Strawberry Kiss. Strawberry Kiss again. You know how we're going to flood it? With flannel Shopkins. Without big bubbles. Are you with me, guys? 3, 2, 1, do it! Come on, guys, let's put all these Overlord Shopkins. It's Overlord Shopkins. Overlord special editions. There's Josh going over here, I believe. Yep. The fluffy baby. We have to put the fluffy baby in there. Okay. Close it off. See what we get. Are you ready? Whoa. They're all stuck. Okay, that was such a fail. Overlord fail. Which they're never going to come out again. I think I broke this whole thing. There's that one there. Yep, look how peaceful this is. But this one's here. Ooh, got a cupcake. I love that cupcake. It's like my favorite cupcake in the world. That one there. Why is there a plunger? And never do overload of Shopkins, like without balls. As you can see what will happen. But make sure you subscribe, comment down below, and check out my other videos. More coming out, guys. Don't worry. You don't have to wait anymore. More is coming out. Bye. Shopkins Overlord is reading Shopkins.
Overload.